every Sunday it's like a flea market in La Kalsa. So you guys can go and buy, purchase really nice stuff, but this is not like US flea market. This is real stuff. Here you go.
Sì, grande.
È per il letto matrimoniale?
Sì, sì, sì.
Sarà 2 metri, un metro.
Quindi questo uguale oppure questo di qua, questo così, questo è un altro copriletto, questo è un altro qui
And here's the next to the park. And the oldest tree in Europe right there. The biggest and oldest tree. Continue Sunday, walking on the streets in Kalsa. The weather is not exactly the greatest one because of this storm coming from Africa with the sand from Sahara. It's like a hurricane comes here too, once in the blue moon. Okay, but this is it. Sunday flea market. And ahead of me is Porta Felice, and that's where actually starts La Kalsa. Is Fontana del Garafo. Here you go, the monument to one of the Romanian guys, Balcescu. The oldest tree in Europe. And the biggest one too, looks like. Palazzo Steri, Palazzo Chiaramonte Isteri. Stabilimento di bagni, public bathrooms before, I think in 16th, 17th century. Now it's a coffee shop, a restaurant with the on the side extra. Here's Palazzo Pelagonia alla Gancia. Here's Palazzo Galletti di San Cataldo. Piazza Marina e Chiesa di Santa Maria dei Miracoli. Miracle Church. Here's Palazzo San Martino. Too bad it's been abandoned and need a lot of work to be done. But just imagine when you finish it, how beautiful that palazzo will be. Ooh. Another palazzo, Malvagna Spedalotto. That's a 14th century, guys. Here's Palazzo Lungarini. Here's the Basilica San Francesco. There's a beautiful place by us. It's called I Corrieri, and this is like a pub and restaurant, anything else on this piazzetta. Beautiful. And very close, like next block is Basilica San Francesco. Another one, Cortili Sottimo. It's another restaurant. Here's another one, Ristorante Enoteca, street food. Here on the left side, Sanana, and it's also, everything is Kalsa. Here's the coffee place, so you guys can have. Here's another restaurant, looks like a nice one. It's called Bartolo. Okay, here's the menu. Bartolo. They did. Alright, so anybody else who's gonna stay in our place, oh my god, you guys gonna have a lot of freaking parties. Oh baby. That's all in our backyard. So good luck guys. Enjoy Monday through Sunday. And I think they're finishing up at 4 in the morning. Hello, who's got nerves, who's got a lot of patience and a lot of empty stomach for drinking parties. Piazza San Croce, and this is Piazza San Anna. Here's another restaurant, Anika. Suggestion is to have, it's called Farmacia Alcolica. It's a bar, guys. It's not a pharmacy, and and they have a drink. It's called IV drink. If you guys want to have IV drink, come over here. Here we are inside. All right, guys. The bicycles on the ceilings. Here we go. There is part of the Vespa, another bicycle. So here we are. Good to be a king. Very nice. Nice portraits. Okay guys, here's the menu. Where's the menu?
We came here at the restaurant. The menu, it's inside.
Here's the menu. You're gonna take this tablet, you open the box, and guess what? What a surprise. You're not gonna get a pills, but you're gonna have a menu inside. Baby, show the menu. Can you show me the menu? Open it up. So here we go. I got an assistant. And here's the menu, guys. Instead of ibuprofen, you're getting the real menu. How you doing? Here you go, guys. Here's the menu.
Yes. Okay. It's open. Take it. Okay.
This is the ID.
And you have to put it inside.
Put inside. Good. This is the ID.
How I'm gonna drink? Just like
In a
that?
glass. Esse é o IV drink aqui na farmácia. É whisky, mas tanta coisa que eu nem sei o que é.
How long is that? There's something missing. Oh my god, the smoke.
Agora bebe.
Alright guys, this is called IV drink. So IV cocktail. So you see this IV stuff? You put it in. Oh my god, it's like tequila, something else there. And it's smoked. Ooh. So I don't need any more IV. That's gonna be my IV for the rest of the day. Ciao.
Ora c'è una borsa di
Ambulatory. Just came out from ambulance. Feel good about it.